Welcome to Eoovbook. Today we will be discussing about how to use Eoovbook Pages. Go to eoovbook.com. Now click on the My Pages option on the left-hand side of the window. Here you will see My Pages option, which will have pages that you have created. If you want to join new pages, you can click on the Suggested Pages option and join the pages that you like. On the Liked Pages option, you will get the pages that you have already joined. If you want your own content creation, you can click on Create option. Now creating your own page requires some specifications. Write the name of your page that resonates with your content. Type the page URL that can connect to your page. Select the page category of the type of content you want to publish. Write some engaging page description that can connect with your users. Now you are ready to go by clicking on the Create button. Here you can change the banner image of your page by clicking on the camera icon. You can also change the profile picture of your page by clicking on the camera icon. Start uploading your content on your page using Eoovbook incredible features. You can use features like upload image, create poll, and upload video according to your content needs. You can also use various other amazing features of Eoovbook. And click on the Share button to share the content with your audience. You can also restrict the content with whom you want to share. Do you want to invite your friends to like this page? Yes, you can do it straight away and invite your friends.